Hey guys, today we'll be doing my exit sign board and my smoke alarm setup on this board here, on this piece of cardboard. Let's go ahead and begin. And once again, I'm right here with Austin, who will be assisting me today. So just go ahead and test the exit sign. We'll be testing. Let's do this one. We have the kid a smoke alarm. Yep. And right here, my fire smoke alarm. And like a different battery or something. Alright. And next one we got is a commercial electric. Hold on. This is my. Do I need to take this thing off? I didn't fit the screw together. It was a a commercial electric EXCL LED R 120 That's a model. Sorry, that's the model number of the Edgelit sign. This one is an Edgelit sign made out of glass, aluminum. So yeah. So the first model, we're gonna start with this. There we go. We're gonna hit the test switch. You see, this one does have the test button. We're going ahead and push it for immediately. Here we go. Oh, how does it blink if I did this? Alright, that's this one. I have to reset it. Alright, next is this one. Come on. Let me just push it for you. Alright. Reset the battery system. And that is done. Next, the this one. See, I hit the test switch. Yep. Alright, now we'll go ahead and simulate this in emergency mode now. But this one does not have emergency lights on there. Sorry about that. Corbin's still watching the video. I don't know. So. Smell the alarm. So yeah, now I have to unplug those. That's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, remember on Wednesday my new exit sign is coming. Have a great day.